Introducing the RoboReel Power Cord System, winner of the Popular Mechanics 2012 Editor's Choice Award and chosen by Family Handyman and This Old House as a best product of 2012. Gizmodo says it's impressively high-tech. RoboReel is always ready to go. Pull it out and it powers on automatically with 3 outlets. One touch and the cord winds in. No more knotted or tangled cords. And the docking point, where the cord slows to dock, can be set for a variety of locations. 360-degree rotation providing access in all directions. Available in portable or ceiling mount models. The portable model can be used on a bench or floor. It is lightweight, easily moved, or can be mounted to the wall. While the ceiling mounted model can be mounted to almost any ceiling surface with a self-leveling mounting bracket and still provides a 360-degree turning radius. Home Fixated says, once you use a RoboReel, going back to a spring-powered cord reel or a regular extension cord will seem downright antiquated. RoboReel is powered by a long-lasting electrical motor, without the dangerous spring mechanism found in other reels. Backed by the longest warranty on the market, 4 years or 4,000 winds. RoboReel is made with durable, high-quality plastics. It is oil, chemical, gas, impact, and fire resistant. And the custom heavy-duty, lead-free 50-foot 12-gauge cord will not corkscrew like other electrical cords. Men's Journal says, the smarter, safer power reel. The RoboReel difference is safety. The unique motorized retraction system eliminates the whipping action found in other reels. The customized cord includes an emergency power shutoff if the cord is severed. It will not rewind when it's in use, and it automatically stops if it's obstructed while rewinding, all preventing damage or injury. Redundant thermostats help prevent overheating, reducing the risk of fire hazards. eMercedesBenz.com says, in a word, genius. RoboReel, making life a little easier. RoboReel has been featured on do-it-yourself network shows such as I Want That and Man Caves, and HGTV Network's Homes on Homes, among many others.